Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today I'm preparing spaghetti with mixed meat, and we have our ingredients here. So start by adding your onions into a sufuria and let your onions turn golden brown. After that, you can add your mixed meat. After adding your mixed meat, let it turn brown so that you can add your carrots, capsicum, and your smashed ginger and garlic. After that, you can stir for a while. Then you can add your curry powder, black pepper, and salt. After adding the curry powder, black pepper and salt, stir for a while, then leave it for about 3 minutes. Then you can add your tomatoes. After adding your tomatoes, you can cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. So after covering it, this is how it should be. So let it boil for 5 minutes, then you can remove it. Our mixed meat is ready, so let's get straight into the spaghetti. Start by adding water in your sufuria, a half a jug because I used the 450 gram spaghetti. Then after your water has boiled, you can add cooking oil and salt. Then you can now add your spaghetti. So cover your spaghetti and let it boil. So at this point, I believe our spaghetti is ready. So you have to pour the water in the spaghetti. Now it's time to mix our spaghetti and our mixed meat. And here's our spaghetti with mixed meat. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.